Hello guys, welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. Today I have some ChatGPT breaking news for you. Do you know that ChatGPT works now in Excel and Google Sheets? Yes, you heard me right. ChatGPT now works in Excel and Google Sheets, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to use ChatGPT in Excel and Google Sheets. So sit back, relax, and make sure you watch this video to the very end. One of the reasons for this tutorial is to assist those who find it difficult to memorize formulas and functions in Excel and Google Sheets. So, follow these steps. First of all, I'll introduce you to numerous AI. Numerous AI lets you create ChatGPT prompts in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. It's an AI add-on and you can check it out in the link I have provided in the description below. Here's how it works. AI is changing the game when it comes to improving productivity. Here's how you can use ChatGPT in Excel and Google Sheets with numerous AI. Let's go further to see some of the functions you can use in numerous AI to enhance your productivity. The first one is equal to AI function. Use equal to AI to prompt ChatGPT in batch. Use ChatGPT technology many times at once by dragging the formula down. The second function to look at is the equal to infer function. Teach numerous AI to do your work with the equal to infer function. Give it a few examples, and the AI will finish your work for you. Let's take a look at the third function, which is equal to write. Use equal to write to have ChatGPT write things for you, like marketing copy, SEO descriptions, replies to customers, and more. These are some of the tasks you can use numerous AI for. To use this tool, follow the link I've provided in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for more videos like this. Also, like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section below.